um, um, our survival pattern recognition. Because of Homo sapiens preceding back to antiquity, our survival mechanism was contingent on pattern recognition. So from a biological perspective, or evolutionary biological perspective, right, coincidences now is attributed to pattern recognition. Preceding back to antiquity, Homo sapiens, our survival mechanism was contingent on pattern recognition. One example is you go hunting, you hear a rattle in the bush, and you automatically make assumption because our survival mechanism was contingent on pattern recognition. So that's from a biological perspective, aka cognitive neuroscientific perspective as well. So you see, you have the physics interpretation of coincidences, which is based on an infinite amount of chaos. Narrative is inevitable. Then you have the psychological interpretation.